October 23rd, 2008. It was the day for us to see you for the first time. Hand in hand, we walked into the office, me and your mother, ready to see our perfect little person. Boy or girl, didn't matter. 10 fingers, 10 toes, that's all we cared about. The sonogram machine ignited. Your image was displayed. It's a boy! It's a boy! But then we saw more. I've seen some things, but never will it compare to the horror Mommy and I beheld. I stared death in the face. His name was Spina Bifida. What we hoped to be our healthy firstborn was a mess of brain and scar tissue. Terminal, they called it. They tried to explain, but we fell away. October 31st, 2008. Mommy and I were married 6 days. We knew what was coming, but never when. It was a day like any other until I got the call. She miscarried. Our life ended before it began. We missed your laugh, your smile, your first step, your first word. We missed our son. We never saw your face, but we loved you just the same. And the tears have never stopped.
That was definitely